Hi guys, another experienced teacher through the Action Research Pathway vlog here. This one I'm just going through an overview of what the actual project looks like and how the base is, or the base topic is different from the test topic and sort of where those milestones are going to be. So at the moment I'm sitting about here. We're going to do our post topic test today and yeah, it's in the thick of it. Basically how it works is we've got two topics that we're looking at. So plate tectonics is the first one, which is going to form the base topic, and waves is the second one, which is going to form the test topic. So in the base topic, what I've done is I've introduced the gamification, which we already do in class, and I've also introduced the learning journey, which I've got just here. Learning journey as a way of showing kids or stepping kids through what needs to be done with remediation activities here and extension activities here, or the easy ones and the hard ones as the kids describe it. So what's going to happen is we did a pre-test for the topic, and at the same time I got them to do a efficacy questionnaire, which I partially made up and partially got off a researcher at a uni. I'll put a link in the below because I can't remember the name at the moment. But we did a student efficacy test in how they felt about school, how they felt about science, how they felt about learning, stuff like that, and themselves. So then throughout this, I've then, so that as the pre-test as well, and then I've taught this base topic, plate tectonics, with that learning journey as I just showed you, and dictating to the kids what we're doing. Okay, so today we're doing this one, today we're doing that one, today you can choose one, giving them the option to choose to do the optional tasks, but not directing them to do them, or directing them which one to do, just giving them the option. The other thing I've got in there is the mastery check. So basically after each learning point, I have a mastery check, which is just a little quiz, whether it's an online one or a written one, and that's to provide the students with some feedback about how they've understood that particular chunk of learning. Now at this stage it's just a check, or one of the big things is that at this stage it's just a check to see where they are. Once we get into the test, it's going to be a mastery stop rather than a check, which means that they're going to actually have to demonstrate mastery of that chunk of knowledge before they can move on to the next chunk. As I said, we're going to be able to do our post-test today, so I'll be able to compare the pre and post-test of the base topic. Then next term, we'll do a pre and post-test of the test topic, or the intervention topic, as well as another efficacy reflection there. So just to see how students feel that they're going with the process so far, whether this just the fact of implementing the learning journey and having things explicit to them, whether that's changed their efficacy from prior to that happening. And then there'll be another efficacy check at the end, seeing if that test topic has any effects on their self-efficacy. I was going to do, well, I've got reflections. I was going to do videos for the base topic, and I'll do one video in a second, but I didn't get many of those done in video form throughout the base topic. I'm planning on getting more done for the test topic once we get into that next term, so you might see those pop up. And then going to be post-interviews, so we'll be able to then, based on the reflections, based on how the kids felt they went, I'm going to interview groups of kids at a time and see how they felt, so just to get some more of that qualitative feedback on how they felt throughout the process, whether they were confident, whether they needed help, and who knows what they might say. And then finally there'll be at the end of next term some sort of post test, which will assess both the topics at a distance to see if that well, my hope is that by having these mastery stops means they have to engage at a deeper level or learn at a deeper level, and therefore that'll stick in their head in a long term or at least medium term way, so that we can actually look at those two as against each other, whether that causes it to stick in their heads longer, rather than boom, hey, we've just finished learning this, regurgitate everything that you know, which is often what we get in our post topic tests, because it's just one topic and they go and look over everything the night before and it's all fresh in their mind. So yeah, that's the overview of the whole action research project, and I'll try and be a bit better keeping you guys updated. Peace out.